Hello, everyone. Welcome, welcome. Super excited to see everybody today. Imposter syndrome. Do you have it? What is it? We're going to talk about these things, just giving a minute for everyone to jump on here with me. So this week, I wanted to talk to you about something that I personally have struggled with, and it seems to visit me more often than I would like. So what is the issue I'm talking about? Imposter syndrome. A few days ago, I opened an email from a person I considered a personal mentor. I really admire her work and I have learned a lot from her. The email triggered my old enemy imposter syndrome. So where does the term imposter syndrome come from? I thought this was so interesting. The term was first used by the clinical psychologist Pauline Clance and Suzanne Imes in the 1970s. These women, Clance and Imes, observed that many high-achieving women tended to believe they were inadequate or not competent despite academic and professional accomplishments. People who suffered from the syndrome were convinced they were frauds, not nearly as bright as others thought they were, and attributed their successes to luck. Imposter syndrome was first observed in successful career women, but it has since been shown to occur in both women and in men. I found that so interesting to dial into where it came from that I thought that was pretty neat to share with you. I found it interesting that people, when they were successful, actually felt like they were frauds or that they weren't as smart as the next person. Imposter syndrome is a real thing, ladies, and there are real ramifications that can affect your career. Research at the University of Salzburg has shown that out of 200 professionals that were surveyed, individuals who were experiencing imposter syndrome tended to be paid less, were less likely to be promoted, and felt less committed and satisfied at work. I also find the next part interesting. It actually kind of struck a chord with me. So put in the chat box if any of these strike a chord with you as they did with me. So, all right. Number one, according to Andrea Robinson, PhD, we can do some things to help combat imposter syndrome. Celebrate your wins. Own your successes. When you achieve something, don't tell others how you were lucky or that others did most of the work. Own your victories. You are worthy of your successes. Guys, that struck a chord, and telling people that I was lucky was something I used to do. It's something I've had to work on for a while now. So I'm going to read that one more time. Celebrate your wins. Own your successes. When you achieve something, don't tell others how you were lucky or that others did most of the work. Own your victories. You are worthy of your successes. Number two, remember that feeling this way is normal. Lots of people struggle with imposter syndrome. In reality, most of the people you fear are better than you are probably feeling like frauds themselves. Number three, stay humble. Struggling with imposter syndrome from time to time is okay. This will give you motivation to keep working towards your goals. Don't let self-doubt creep in and keep you from going after something that you feel is out of reach. I have done this in the past. Just that little bit of self-doubt. And I'm like, well, somebody's already doing that, or maybe I can't do it as well as them. Let's forget that thinking right now, right? We're going to stay humble, but we're also going to own our victories and keep that self-doubt out. Are you a woman that struggles with imposter syndrome, or have you in the past? Let me know in the chat. I really want to know. We can work together on changing our mindsets on this topic. Just get out there, do you, be you. You've all got this. All right. So I told you I would keep it quick. If you found today's chat helpful, think about how much you can learn if you attend the Teacher Mind live sessions with a panel of teachers. The next opportunity for this live session is Thursday at 3 p.m. Eastern. Just let us know your biggest challenge in your online teaching business or in your business, and we will help you come up with a plan and some action items. We have a panel of teachers. So if you'd like to learn more about how to navigate on your journey to developing your own education business, join me every Thursday at 3 p.m. Eastern in my Facebook group. It's called Teachers Mastermind Your Online Business, or you can contact me through the Calendly link. I will put all of that in the chat box below. Imposter syndrome, you may feel it. It keeps us humble. It keeps us working towards our goals, but don't let it hinder you. All right, everyone, get out there, be yourself, celebrate your victories. We all have this. I can't wait to chat with you all some more, and I'll see you all next week. Bye.